the heart of Eindhoven, a new kind of connection is being made, not through cables but through light. Aircision, Signify and TUE join forces to demonstrate high-speed, real-time communication, wirelessly linking 2 points across the city. Using a hybrid free space optical and microwave system, data travels at the speed of light without the need for fiber cables.
Free space optics offers secure, high-capacity connectivity that can be deployed in just a few hours. In dense urban areas, this flexibility is a game changer.
Innovative companies like Aircision are at the core of our ecosystem. Demonstrations like this show how the campus fosters real technological breakthroughs.
Our BrightSites streetlights are designed for seamless integration with multiple communication technologies, such as free space optics and telecommunications networks. And this enables future-proof urban networks.
The photon loop testbed, developed together with Aircision, gives us a unique environment to test and demonstrate advanced optical communication systems in real conditions.
This demonstration reflects the process made under the Future Network Services program, by connecting industry and academics, relaying the foundation for 6G in the Netherlands.
From university to campus, from light to data, Aircision, Signify and TUE are building the future of connectivity as part of the Future Network Services 6G program.